Mom's Little Keto.
Now we are watching alphabet vehicles.
A is for aeroplane. 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 B is for bicycle. Bicycle. B is for bicycle. 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 B is for car. 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 C. Car. D is for dumper truck. Dump truck. Dumper truck. D. Dumper truck. E is for express train. Express train. Express train. E. Express train. F is for fire truck. Fire truck. Fire truck. F. Fire truck. G is for garbage truck. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. G. Garbage truck. H is for helicopter. 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 H. Helicopter. I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. J is for jet ski. Jet ski. Jet ski. J. Jet ski. K is for kayak. Kayak. K. Kayak. L is for locomotive. 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 L. Locomotive. M is for motorcycle. 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 M. Motorcycle. N is for navy submarine. Navy submarine. Navy submarine. And navy submarine. O is for off-road. Off-road vehicle. Off-road vehicle. O. Off-road vehicle. P is for police car. Police car. Police car. Police car. Q is for bike. Bike. Fire bike. Q for bike. R is for rocket. 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 R. Rocket. S is for stroller. 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 S. Stroller. T is for tractor. 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 D. Tractor. U is for unicycle. 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 V is for van. 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 B. Van. W is for windsurfer. 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 W. Windsurfer. X is for excavator. 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 E is for excavator. Y is for yacht. 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 Y. Yacht. Z is for zeppelin. 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 Z. Zeppelin. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Mom's little kiddo.